Tesla Giga Berlin to soon prepare for addition of fourth work shift. Tesla Giga Berlin is preparing for a more intensive increase in production. The factory will soon start preparing to expand its workforce to add a fourth work shift. Tesla production in Germany is growing and further expansion of production capacity is planned. The factory is now working in 3 shifts, which was confirmed by Joachim Freyer, managing director of an employment agency in Frankfurt an der Oder. At the moment, only the search for individual qualified workers continues, while the main team is already formed. Giga Berlin already has 10,000 employees. According to RBB24, it is expected that the fourth shift will soon appear at the German Tesla factory. The details of this were not disclosed, but the fullness of all jobs for the third shift hints that preparations for the next phase of expansion can begin. Tesla currently produces 5,000 vehicles per week. This corresponds to approximately 250,000 vehicles per year. Thus, the intermediate goal was achieved. In the first phase of the expansion, Giga Berlin plans to produce 500,000 vehicles a year. The factory operates 5 days a week. Some workshops operate a 6th day, 1 to 2 times a month. Tesla wants to expand the factory to produce 1 million cars a year there. The first application for partial approval was submitted to the Brandenburg Federal Environment Agency in March. At the moment, it concerns the expansion of existing buildings. Later, the company intends to apply for further expansion in its territory. Source: reposted and summarized from Eva Fox at teslanews. My take: Giga Berlin is on track to do 10,000 cars per week.